Hey, it's Nick here from Lumberjack Tools. In today's video I'll be showing you how to assemble this solid hardwood workbench, the WB1520D4. Let's get into it and see what's inside the box. So there we go, that is everything that you get in the box. There's quite a lot there, so this is going to be a fun build. So right, let's get into it. First off, you're going to need the leg supports, and then you're going to need the lower support brackets, the bottom shelf and the upper support brackets. Right, next up you're going to need the 4 dowel nuts, Allen key and the 4 bolts. You put the bolt through there, through that, get one of these, put the dowel nut through there and tighten it up. With the side legs, make sure these drawer runners point out and that will be front section. Make sure you put this on with the recess at the bottom facing you. So there we go, recess at the bottom, dowel nut in that, bolt through that, and then screw it in with the Allen key. And you'll do exactly the same on the other end. And before you put the front one on, grab your bottom shelf, put that in, and then screw this in just like the back one. And there we go, that's how it should look so far. Next, you want to grab your 2 upper supports, 4 screws, pop them on the top, line them up with these 2 holes here and 2 on the other side, and then screw them in. Next up, we're going to need the middle drawer runner. With the middle drawer support, you get 2 screws, line up with these 2 holes, into that hole there and that hole there. Once it is screwed in, it should look just like that. And then we're going to need the tabletop. With the bench top, you will need the 4 bolts. You have to match these holes with these holes. And to screw these in, you're going to need a 13mm spanner. Make sure the holes for the vise are at the front. So there we go, one secure tabletop. Up next you're going to need the vise. So next up, just the vise, and it just screws in like so. And there we go, one vise installed. Now up next you're going to need all of the drawer sides and the drawer backs. And then you're going to need the drawer bottoms. Then you have to grab the drawer fronts and the handles. With the drawers, you want to make sure that the recess is pointing down. Make sure that the open bit is at the back so it can slide into the rails. When screwing these, if you want a little bit of a tip, you can use a clamp, just like that, or keep it level when you're screwing it down. And there we go, one drawer frame done. And there you go, one drawer complete. And what I'll quickly do is make up the other drawers and then I'll bring you back. So there we go, that is the drawers done, and with the drawers done, the table's done. So with any luck that has helped everyone assemble a table. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And don't forget to visit lumberjacktools.co.uk to see other great products like this one. Thanks for watching and see you later.